Hi everyone, welcome to the second Wednesday of the month for Battle of the Stitches. We do this every Wednesday, and the second week we give a sneak peek of what we've been working on. So everybody who is involved is listed in my description. Teresa from Critters Crochet and Jana K from Leave It 2 Stitches. Make sure you check out what they're doing a sneak peek on. I don't know what they're making, they don't know what I'm making, so it's a surprise for all of us. We're working through this book of stitches, and I have a video that explains Battle of the Stitches in my description if you were wanting to know a little bit more about it. But this month we're doing the parquet stitch, and let me give you a sneak peek of what I have made with it. This is my own design. Let's see if anybody can guess what it is. It seems like I usually get at least one or two people who are able to guess my projects, but I like this one a lot, and I hope that you like it too. So join us next week so that you can see what it is, and then you can vote. We'll put up a voting poll next week, and you can vote for your favorite of the projects that were made with the parquet stitch. And join us in our Facebook group. We have a Facebook group called Battle of the Stitches. There's a link in the description, or you can just look up Battle of the Stitches. And you can post your creations with the stitch in the Facebook group and be put in for drawings and that kind of stuff. So please check that out. And I'll see you for next week's video. Bye.